Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. How this year 2026 is going to be for the driver number 6 to 9. In my last video, I have talked about for the driver number 1 to 5. If you haven't watched that, please go and watch. In my this video, I'm going to talk about 6 to 9, driver number 6 to 9. You must be waiting for this video, right? If your driver number falls under 6 to 9. What to do? We have to go sequentially. So let's start without wasting any more time. Before that, you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos, and share this video with your friends, family, so that everybody can be benefited out of it. So let's start with driver number 6. That means if you're born on 6th, 15th or 24th of any month, your driver number will be 6. Now, whose number is this driver 6? It's being ruled by the planet called Venus. Now, let us understand what's the portfolio of Venus. It represents glamour, money, name, fame, and luxury, all these attributes. And this year is going to be of 1, which is Sun, which is King. Now, how this 1 number is arriving? You have to go and watch my previous video. Okay, I'll repeat it once again. You have to do the sum total of all the digits, which is 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6, which is coming to 10. And again, I'll bring it to a single digit, which is 1 plus 0 is 1. That means this year is going to be 1, which is Sun, which is King. And you are sitting on driver number 6, which is of Venus. Now, this King or the Sun is going to have the conjunction with Venus. Now, mainly, who looks for all these attributes, this glamour, money, name, fame? King. King is the person who looks for all these attributes. So that means the conjunction between Venus and the King or the Sun, it's going to be great. That means if your driver number is 6, this year it's going to be great for you. Especially if you're in a glamorous business or a luxury business like a hotel, restaurant, liquor business, travel, jewelry, or maybe you work with a media house, you're some actor, actresses, all this, any businesses of this kind, it's going to be special gift this year is going to bring for you. Do one thing, you have to offer water every morning to Sun, and if possible, donate white edible things to the poor people, to the disabled people, to the poor children. Edible things like white edible things. It can be paneer, it can be ice cream, it can be sugar, it can be anything white. It can be rice, it can be flour. Anything you can donate these people. This is going to bring you a very good opportunity in this coming year for the driver number 6. So I'm just intimating you in advance. Please be prepared so that when opportunity comes, you can grab it to the fullest. And one more suggestion, please keep a distance from black and yellow color. Now let's move to driver number 7. That means if you're born on 7, 16, 25th of any month, your driver number will be 7. Now whose number is this number 7? It's being ruled by the planet called Ketu. Now, how this conjunction of Ketu and King will be? King is number 1, 2026. I have mentioned that. It's going to be good. It's going to be, in fact, great. Especially for the people who are working in IT industry, work with AI, into research work, into consultancy business or counseling business. It will be a special reward for them. You might get promotion in your work. You might get rewards, awards, and get unwanted gifts or some good news in this coming year. Do one thing, you offer water to the Sun every morning, and if possible, feed the stray dogs. Feed them with good food, and this energy which is coming on your way will be activated and maintained, and thus you will get the blessings of this coming year. Let's move to driver number 8. That means if you're born on 8, 17th or 26th of any month, your driver number is 8. This number is being ruled by the planet called Saturn, and you're entering in the year of King sun, or number 1. What do you think how this year is going to be? Yes, you have identified it correctly. This year is going to be a little heartbreak for you. I'm not saying it would be very bad, but it's not going to be that great as you might be expecting out of it. See, everybody has good patches, bad patches in their lives. So we have to accept that. What I'm trying to explain is go a little slow. Don't expect something great or something out of the way is coming. Let's say some promotions, rewards, awards. I don't think so that's going to coming on your way in this year. Go a little slow. Don't build your expectations. Go a little slow and take care of your health, especially you might get injuries, you might get depression, you might get into depression. So please take care of your health. That's very important in this year. And do one thing, and you should feed the poor people of the society. You can do this remedy for throughout the year. You start feeding this less blessed people of the society, let's say garbage collector, laborers, construction workers, or maybe your security guards. These are less placed people of the society. You can start feeding them with clothes, and can donate some money. Basically, you have to start helping them. This way, you can actually, to some extent, you can eradicate the negative energy or negativity which is coming on your way in 2026. Now, last but not the least, driver number 9. That means if you're born on 9th, 18th, or 27th of any month, your driver will be 9. This being ruled by the planet called Mars, and you're entering in the year of King Sun 1. What do you think how this association is going to be? Yes, you're right. This association is going to be great and super great. This conjunction between Mars and Sun is amazing actually. It means that they have met their soulmates, they have found their lost friends, they are friends forever. That's the alignment is going to form in this year for the driver number 9. So please be prepared and make your wish list and work towards it, and have to put in a lot of hard work also to achieve all that wish list which you have made, which you want them to fulfill in this coming year. So, what's the secret? You have to make a wish list, you have to work hard, you have to be focused to get all these wishes you want them to come true in this coming year. Also, you have to be little disciplined, you have to be consistent to achieve those goals. So, a lot of opportunities are coming on your way for the driver number 9 in this coming year, especially for the people who are in police service, who are in NGO, who are in army, who are in consultancy business, who are in education industry, education sector, and so on. For them, it's going to be a double bonus for them. So please be prepared and work towards your goal, set your goal, and be prepared to grab all the energies, all the opportunities coming on your way. Think big, hit big, and play big. That's all for the all the driver numbers have completed in 2 videos. Please go and watch all of them so that you can understand. You can take preparation accordingly. Please suggest me if you want me to make any video on any other topic which you think I should do, which is interesting for all of us. Also comment me what is your driver number, how you're aligned, how you're taking preparation for this coming year. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.